Good morning, folks. Again, I'm out in the garden here, and I wanted to address another question that I've seen asked, and that was how to fertilize a Mittleider grow box that is a 4-foot wide box. Now, a 4-foot box is actually treated like two 18-inch rows, and you can kind of see in the video here, and here I have put down my pre-plant. We're getting ready to put sweet potatoes and potatoes in today, and it's the 12 inches from the edge of the box, 12 inches from there, 12 inches in. That is where we're going to put our plants, that's where we're going to put our pre-plant, and that's where we're going to put our weekly feed. Same thing applies over here. 12 inches from the inside of that box in is where we put our pre-plant. Now, the middle of the box is not used or planted in a Mittleider garden. It's just not. I know the square foot gardening, people do it differently. In a Mittleider garden, we don't do it. The only reason that the 4-foot box is used is because it is more economical. For half of the price of what it would cost you to build two 18-inch grow boxes, you can build one 4-foot box and essentially have two growing areas. This middle part we're not going to use, we're not going to fertilize, we're not going to use it at all. Now, this particular box is 15 feet long. Now, when we're putting down our pre-plant in this 4-foot wide box, we're going to put down 1 ounce of the pre-plant per linear foot. And this grow box is 15 feet long, so I'm putting 15 ounces down this side of the box, and I'm putting 15 ounces down this side of the box. Now, when I go to put my weekly feed, the weekly feed is applied at 1/2 of an ounce per linear foot. So I'm going to do half of that on this side and half of that on this side for a grand total of 15 ounces of weekly feed. Alright, that was quick and dirty. Hopefully that answers your questions on fertilizing a 4-foot wide Mittleider grow box. If you have any other questions, let me know.